Como estasi? Donna just being real. Hope everybody's having a great day, a marvelous day, and all that good stuff. All right, today's topic is shacking versus marriage. Yes. All right, one of my viewers emailed me and they have a video request. All right, let me read this email. Hi, Donna, just being real. My video request. I noticed you touched on this one in one of your videos. That's why I'm reaching out to you. I've been involved with this man for a little over a year. He wants us to live together. I told him I want to be married before living with him. I've always felt that you shouldn't live with a man unless married. He knows that about me. He feels it's not necessary. Marriage is just a piece of paper. I can't stand when you say that. I'm 33 and he is 37. What is your advice on my situation? Tracy from Atlanta, Georgia. Go ahead, Tracy, Atlanta. All right. Before I get into this one, I want to start off with, you know what? It really annoys me when people says marriage is just a piece of paper. No. Marriage is not just a piece of paper. Marriage is when a man and woman get together and they make a committed bond under the eyes of the Lord. Okay? That's what marriage is. It's not a piece of paper. Okay? You're no longer two. Now you consider to be one under the eyes of the Lord. All right? Got that done. All right, let me get into this one. I would say, Tracy, is if you feel strongly about this, you've got to be married before living with someone, I would say, don't move in with him. Okay? If you don't want to do the shacking thing, you got to be married before, living with someone, hey, it's nothing wrong with that because a lot of people feel that way. All right? And I'm not knocking shacking because a lot of people do shack. They do that. All right? But I'm just saying if that's something that's important to you, all right, don't do it. And another thing I want to say is now, if you do happen to go and do it, and I would say be prepared because you're going to get frustrated. You're going to get upset because you're going to be with this man and you're going to realize not giving you no ring, nothing is happening and stuff like that. And then you're going to feel like you wasted your time. And you know what, kind of, he's going to feel like he wasted his time too. All right? And another thing to it, what women do is really annoying. And y'all got to stop this, ladies. All right? Don't think you're going to change this man. So I'm going to say to you, please don't go into this. Let's say you decide to live with him. Please don't do it in a way of you thinking this, well, he'll change after a while. He'll want to commit a relationship. He'll propose to me and give me a ring and then we'll get married. No. Ladies, all y'all just want to let you know is you cannot change a man. If the man tells you from the get-go he don't want to get married, especially if you think it's a piece of paper, it ain't happening. All right? Just want to let you know. So I would say don't do it, okay? But if you do it, be prepared. You ain't going to get this ring, girl. It's not going to happen, all right? And this video's out to other ladies, too, who might be thinking the same thing, too. So hopefully this was helpful to you. And I want to say is I'm not knocking shacking. People do shack. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying if that's not your thing to do, hey, don't do it. All right, so I'm going to end this video with leave me some feedback. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? All right. Are you currently going through the situation or have you been through that situation? Let me know. I love feedback. Okay. Like, subscribe, hit the alert button, share the video and all that good stuff. All right. Because Tracy, this is a really good question because you're not alone. A lot of people, go through this kind of thing. And, I gotta go in this kickboxing class. Oh gosh. Wish me luck, but I'm going to do it. Feel so rejuvenating afterwards. All right. I'm going to end this video with Donna just being real. If you have any video requests, feel free. Read my about page, email me, and I will put it out there. Adios. Gotta go. Donna just being real.